Hi, my name is Nicole Eccles with Harvest Hope Food Bank. We love and appreciate our donors. However, the need is still great. Share your heart for the hungry with these ways to donate. Honor or remember a loved one by purchasing an honorarium or memorial card from your local Harvest Hope Food Bank branch. Parents, you can get your children involved. We have a unique way for your children to share with their friends their love for Harvest Hope Food Bank. For a minimum of $25 donation, you can receive 25 lollipops and 25 Cool Can Sam cards. And you can always support Harvest Hope in your community by visiting us online at harvesthope.org. Thank you.